What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's Monday. It is my day off. My allergies is really bad today, so I have to go to the shop. I left my medicine at the shop, so I'm gonna go scoop that up and then go to Walmart, get some pancake mix, and then I also have a business call, a house call, so to speak, at a business here in town. So I'll take you along to go see that. Other than that, not too eventful of a day. Just thought I'd show you what I'm doing on my day off. So with that, let's get to the rest of the video.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Just got to the shop. This right here, if you have allergies, A1 medication right here. It's like a Walgreens version of Zyrtec. This stuff goes hard. And also this Sinex severe, nasal spray they have from Vicks. Both of those go in, but I'm here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my stuff for this this house call I gotta do. So I'm gonna pack that up, and then we'll go get going to Walmart so we can get some pancake mix. So for this house call, all I'm taking is my bevelers, trimmer, my shaver, a half guard through a 2-guard, razor, and then also just a pick and another comb, pair of gloves. We got a mister, some aftershave, some shave gel, oil sheen to finish the cut, and then also a brush, plus a cape, and we'll get his house call done later. So this is everything. Almost forgot Cool Care, and also a neck duster. By far not the fanciest setup, because I got this at Harbor Freight for like $25. I don't really do house calls that often, so that's the reason why I'm not going to invest a lot of money into a house call setup. So my mobile setup's pretty simple. It gets the job done. It's effective. I just absolutely take what I absolutely need, and yeah, you'll see the results when we get there. So we're gonna go ahead and run to Family Dollar instead of Walmart. It's closer to my house, so hopefully they got pancake mix in there, and we'll go ahead and get whatever they have available and just make it work. Just got home. We got the pancake mix, we got the syrup, and we got the barber fill on the TV. We're going to get to making this breakfast. So usually my kids are in school on a Monday, but today, Friday they were off, and Monday they were off because it's their fall break. So get to spend some time with them today, so that'll be nice. Just got done with breakfast. Ain't taking my truck. We're gonna take the mom mobile, go to do this house call, but we'll see when we get there. Let y'all see what the little tire shop look like, and what this haircut's gonna look like. It's a beard, a bald head, very easy cut to do. Just gotta stay precise, and it will be Gucci. So let's get to it. Let's get to the tire shop.
That's everybody.
On that wind the other day?
Attorney Jim Blazer can help you with the entire process, and it doesn't cost you anything. It's your discount.
Everything gone.
Get your checks started today. Call Attorney Jim.
Can't complain about that. That's fine. Started watching the movie show on Netflix.
Which one?
About barbecue birthday.
I just ate at this one that looks real good. It's called like Spicy Days or Spicy something. It's over there. It's kind of over there by St. Yeah.
What's good, y'all? So this is the house call that I had to go do. Actually, at a business, you know, at a tire shop, and it's just a dope thing to be able to get out there and cut people's hair, you know, outside of your normal realm of things. You know, I don't do very many house calls, but this is a very cool place to go cut. You're visible. You know, my client here is super chill, you know, very great to talk to. We always have great conversations. He'd be putting me on the Netflix, you know, shows and whatnot. And, you know, he's just a very business-minded person. So to be able to, you know, have conversations with him about just business and just things like that. So it's always rewarding. But if you see in this video, there's a dude in a purple hoodie that I managed to, you know, give my number because he wanted to get his haircut as well. So that's another good thing about being out here in the public view is that, you know, you get people who are interested in your work. So, you know, that is a possible client that I could, you know, lock into my book. So that's something that's pretty dope about cutting over here at the tire shop where I went to go do this house call. But just a real humble dude, you know, he keeps it a hundo. It's why I enjoy cutting his hair and being able to go and provide this service. You know, he's a, you know, very generous person. So, you know, it's just, you know, awesome to meet people like that, might meet genuinely kind people in the world. So, but right here, like I said, just keeping the beard super crispy, super precise, not much to the haircut. Shaved and completely bald off the top, and using the babblers right there to fade in the side. So yeah, maybe not a hard cut to do, not something difficult, but you know, it's something, you know, that's an enjoyable as beard work for me. So that's why I took on this task, because, you know, beards are on the top tier of things that, you know, type of cuts that I like to do. But that's the business call I went to go do. So hope you enjoyed the cut, little time lapse video that I threw in there, and let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below.
Sausage, you know what I mean? But it tastes a little bland too, baby.
And one of the main things is the reduction of sodium in my diet.
So just got done with the cut, came over to the bank to come deposit today, and I totally forgot that it's Columbus Day and most places are closed on Columbus Day. So that plan failed. I usually deposit on Mondays from everything I made, like on Friday and Saturday, just to make sure that we get everything into the bank. That way, you know, I can get bills paid and whatnot. It is like mostly cash business still as far as barbering, but you know, everything's kind of slowly transitioning to electronic payment. But so I guess go ahead home and see what else the day brings today. My allergies are kicking my butt today. It is, I don't know what it is today. Today is really bad, but I'm gonna get back to the crib and I don't know, probably just chill the rest of the day. We'll see what happens. I'm not much of a planner, more of a spontaneous type person, so we'll see what else the day brings. May bring something, may bring nothing, but we'll get to it when we get to it. A Walmart, Moggin and Crocken. We drove 20 minutes to get Sprite Zero and Mountain Dew Zero because they don't have it in the city that I live in. So we drove 20 minutes away to go get some. Yeah. Well, back from Walmart and had a very uneventful day today, but it was a good day, very relaxing and very chill. Did that one out call today at the business. Came home after that. I took a nap for like 2.5 hours because I took some medication and my allergies, like I said, just been kicking my butt today. Here in Amarillo, there's a lot of stockyards all the way around the city, and it was very, very windy and it was very, very windy this past weekend, so it just kind of like stirred up everything. Plus the fires and the smoke and all that stuff is kind of trickling over here to Texas, so it's just a lot of everything just all jumbled together. I've never had allergies in my life until I moved here to Amarillo, Texas. But gotta push through, gotta make it work, gotta make it happen. But I appreciate everybody for clicking on the video today, staying tuned, logging into this vlog on my day off today. Trying to get more comfortable behind the camera, you know, other than tutorials and stuff like that, the other stuff that's barber related. So just trying to, you know, try something different. I got some good feedback on the vlogs, and a lot of people are enjoying it, so that's nice to know. So it's cool that, you know, you guys are interested and seeing, you know, life behind the lens. So other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. Stay tuned. We have that 245 Power Mat giveaway coming at 2K. We are almost nearing 1,600 in a matter of a month. So I feel like that's some pretty good growth, and I feel like it's just going to continue. The ball's going to continue to keep rolling, and we're going to get to 2K before you know it. So everybody just lock in, stay tuned. Until next time, God bless.